What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Why are so many boxing coaches assholes? Great question from my man JoJo. But before we get into that, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that notification bell so you stay in tune with the latest. So when you're a boxing coach, you are selflessly donating your time and your energy to take people from ground zero to develop them to be as effective as they could possibly be in pursuit of their goals. And not everybody makes it. For every success story you see, there are several thousand people that don't make it. Some of them walk away humbly, some of them crash and burn tragically. And you got to deal with all that. And it comes with, again, I mean, a lot of these guys are coming from, there's basically two personality types that are attracted to competitive boxing. Either they're a bully that's very aggressive and need a positive outlet to redirect their energy, or they're a victim that's looking for confidence, that's trying to rebuild themselves and come back stronger. And sometimes, depending on where you live, you might have both of those people that actually have a personal history together in the same gym, and they might have to fight it out. And you got to play good cop, bad cop, negotiate with everybody. Shit, by the time it's all done, you wind up, after years and years of that, you end up like a scorned baby mother, man. You got a chip on your shoulder. Trust me, I've seen so many guys get betrayed by dudes that they had when they were 8 years old, couldn't afford their gym membership, bought them equipment, paid for their travel, brought them all around the world. They lose one fight, and they're like, it's your fault, you're a piece of shit, you're the reason why my career is over. And you're like, yo, it's one bad night. We had 1,000 wins together. And then you're going to take it all out on the coach because you had a bad night. And again, it happens all the time. So when you meet coaches and you're looking to do this competitively, be prepared. They're going to be rough. A lot of them, some of them are sweethearts. Some of them are real nice people. They're humble. But I'd say more times than not, they've been through a lot of these scenarios that I'm explaining to you. So keep in mind that tough love is how they separate the real from the fake, and they kind of weed out the people who are the contenders from the pretenders. And at the end of the day, it's in everybody's best interest to identify what's what and who's who as soon as you possibly can so that you can move forward and make the most progress in the shortest period of time as possible. So keep that in mind when you meet these guys. Hope you found this informative. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check out my Instagram, coach.v_. Put your comments in the comment section if you've seen a situation where, you know, a coach did his thing and they walked off into the sunset winning, or it ended in tragedy. I want to hear both sides of the story. Till the next time, we up out here. Out.